Good morning, guys. It's like super early. I got up super early just to do this hyperlapse. But today we're gonna be talking about how to get your right shot, but not after this. I had to do this epic hyperlapse with my Alter Evo 2. Check this morning out. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful morning, and I'm actually doing it right now. So yeah, stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite shots and how I actually get them. Well, first of all, you have to remember, planning is everything, and you have to check the location. This is the location. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be a location like this, but since I'm in Hawaii, might as well take advantage of it. The reason why I chose this spot is, first of all, you don't have many people around. There's my family, and there's a big park and trees and a small little house, and we have the ocean, we have a cliff, and we have everything else. Yeah, dance again. You dancing. And because I have a chance to use this location, you also need your arsenal. Then you have to just make sure that everything is charged up, batteries, controller, drone is all in place. You have extra batteries, if you do have extra batteries, and make sure that you have your cards implemented and all your cards are formatted, empty, ready to film. And then you get started. How's this guy? Tell me he like another shot like that. He makes a manual orbit around them. How dare him? When you fly and you want to look at the stuff, you want to make sure that you fly it like you want to film a movie. So I'm right now his visual observer, and I'm keeping a track of his drone, and he's doing pretty good, huh? So you want to make sure that when you're looking at your shot, you're lining it up with your drone, okay? So you want to go in between those trees right over there. Because you want to go in between those trees right there, you stand behind your drone and you line it up, and then you line up the drone, and then you slowly go forward. You see that flower bed in front of it? The flowers, the plants in front of it? See how you line the shot up, and then you go right in between that. You have all those trees and everything over there. Keep an eye on her. There you go. So I like to do these reveal shots where she comes from a long wide angle straight to over here, over the crown of the trees, coming straight towards the ocean. And then slowly start moving the gimbal downwards, just like that. Just to reveal the ocean. Boom. And then another good shot is when you turn around and you're looking at the whole scenery. Now I'm gonna go backwards and downwards. So this is like a go away kind of shot. I'm gonna have her come straight for us, go past us while we stay over here. And I'm gonna rise her up so you pass the crown of the trees. See that? And you pass the trees just like that. Boom. One of my favorite shots that I usually do is the top-down shot. See how I get lines, the streets are lines on your screen? Now the crown that we passed earlier is all this, looking downwards, which is like super nice. And then we're gonna hit the ocean right there. Boom, ocean. So top-down shots is one of my favorites, and then you can follow the coastline too, just like this. And you have a car moving in there, you get the nice green, you get the blue. And you want to split up the screen like half-half, sort of. Like half side green, half side water, while looking downwards. And passing all these other houses. And you see how the coastline changes direction? Yeah. Which makes it even more nicer. When people look at the top-down shot, it's because something that they don't usually see. That's what makes it so interesting. Now because it's such a nice coastal line too, we underline the footage with some DJI following footage, cutting in between rocks, following the coastline itself, and going over some of the obstacles that are alongside the coastline. Check it out. Now after all this footage is together, this is the final clip. So after all, you guys seen what I like most actually, which is the top-down shot, the reveal shot, pull back, and another forward reveal shot, plus orbits, and of course everything underlined with the DJI FPV. If you guys like this episode, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Till the next time, don't forget, COVID-19 is still out there to get you. Be a nice human, wear your mask, wash your hands. Aloha everybody.